This morning we are getting our dough started for pizza that we're gonna make later on after we do some work at the house today. So it's not an entire Sunday fun day, but we may go thrift shopping. So I'm here for it. We're gonna start our dough this morning so it's ready by the time we get home tonight, and we're gonna make our homemade pizza. Yay! I'm so here for it. Pizza dough. Okay.
From King Arthur, modified slightly.
Really? Is it from the...
Yeah, but they don't
Except
have
for the sourdough
starter in there.
So is the rest of this just their pizza dough without sourdough? Or did you modify it?
I guess so.
Interesting. 2 cups flour, 1.5 teaspoons salt, about 1 cup sourdough starter, 3 to 4 teaspoons olive oil, 3/4 cup water. All right, pizza dough. Okay, there's a bowl. It's gonna think that you're the real chef around here.
No, that would be a mistake.
I can handle it. It's okay.
Lindsay is the real chef.
So, teaspoons, not tablespoons. 1. But I'm just going to estimate. Okay. I hope that's not a salt. 3 to 4 tablespoons olive oil.
Kind of.
Well, we're going to measure. 1, 2, 3, and some. 3 to 4. And 2 cups, or 3/4 cup water, and 1 cup sourdough starter. La 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 la. I'm gonna measure it. I'm gonna put the hooch in there too. Look at that. What?
Blop.
Did you ever have to do that thing where you carried an egg around, or a computerized robot baby? I guess you didn't have computerized robot babies when you were in junior high school.
No, all of the computers when I was in junior high school required a room,
Yeah.
and they were slower than your phone.
And an egg we had to carry around for health class. Well, I was just thinking about sourdough, that maybe you could start, if you wanted to have a puppy or something, you could start with sourdough. See if you could keep sourdough alive. Because it requires a little thought.
That would be a fair test, I guess. Although you don't have to tend sourdough twice a day or 3
Whoa.
times a day.
It just got really dark. Winter here, man. It's crazy.
Heavy clouds. That looks like it's...
That's good enough? All right. Thoroughly mixed. All right, I used the plastic wrap because my wax things need to be re-waxed. They're not very adhesive. All right, so that'll just sit all day while we go work. We'll see you later. Oh, do we need that tool today? No. Do we need that tool today? No. Still Using these tools. Ugh. Will it ever end? I don't know. Probably not ever. We're stuck in a loop. The beginning is the end, and the end is the beginning. Are you glad we have another show to watch besides Dark?
Yes.
Good Lord. What a black hole of confusion that show is. But we can't stop watching it. All right, lady. We're coming in again. Thank you for welcoming us. Honestly, all I'm thinking about right now is how we get to have pizza when we get home tonight after we make it. Oh, some days it's just not as fun as others. Oh, hope someday we look back at this time and don't remember it as how many months it actually is. Remember the time took out all the trim and took months and months. Oh no, it was just a couple of weeks, I'm sure. I wonder whose handprint that is. Adorable. All right. No more procrastinating.
What are you lining up for?
In the name that is the Commonwealth of this great land, I, as representative of the Grand Lady, dub with you, Sir Mr. Jim, for your deeds and your knowledge in this grand adventure.
Loves you.
Carry on and defend the Grand Lady, my great Sir Mr. Jim. We are so very appreciative. The showers have been taken,
Showers have been taken.
and the pizza we are making.
Yeah, the pizza is. Olive oil on your hands. It's good for you.
Good for you.
It's good for you.
All right, I made a space. I'm now stretching the dough, spreading it out.
You want some wine? You want some of the wine we bought today?
Yes, please. I have some wine.
Okay. Oh, there's a hair on my ear, and it's definitely not mine.
Is it mine? Whose hair's in your ear?
Whose hair is on my ear?
I put my hair up. All right. We are finishing chopping the tomatoes for the fresh tomato part of our pizza. And when the oven finishes, we're heating up. We're going to roast some tomatoes. And we're going to caramelize some onions and brown some mushrooms. And Jim has already prepared the mozzarella. And the crust is Relaxing. Relaxing. And Jim's prepping some prosciutto. Prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
Oh, the onion. The onion is like the husband. He has so many layers.
What about the onion?
I said the onion is like the husband.
Huh?
He has many layers.
Many layers.
And sometimes makes you cry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm just getting back at you for being cranky today.
I'm sorry.
I guess it's warranted. I mean, we've been working our buns off for weeks, and it just seemed like we were never gonna get that floor up, and we've... Oh my gosh. Are you happy we're almost done with the wood part?
Yeah, everything that's almost done is a benefit.
It's hard to see progress when there's so much ahead of you. You just gotta focus on what you're doing on that day. Onions prepped. Okay, let's get started. Browning the mushrooms and caramelizing the onions. The oven's ready for the tomatoes. Good job, Maya.
There you go.
Pan's warmed to medium-high heat, and we're using avocado oil. It has a high smoke point, 520 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is good for sauteing. We've got to layer the seasoning. Layers. Look at that. It's on the pizza peel. I'm going to shoot it in there. Oh, it's smoky. My eyes are burning. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Oh. You didn't even set off the smoke alarm again? Ooh, my eyes are burning from it. I'm gonna open the window. It's a little smoky. Whoa! The snow is blowing sideways out there. Very windy. Woo! Oh, Moses. We're gonna pull it out. And then quickly put all of our special toppings on. Look at that. She's a beauty. Drizzle of olive oil. Generous, beautiful, lovely Berkeley frou-frou special olives. Prosciutto underneath everything so it doesn't get burned. It goes back in the hot oven. That's a lot of prosciutto.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Oh yeah. Ooh, there's a lot of onions too. Alright. I'm gonna put it for 9 minutes. That's my guess.
Okay.
All right. Time to clean as we go. I think it's done. It's beautiful. Oh, that looks and smells so good. Nice job. Fresh tomatoes. Okay, pizza and a movie. What do you want to watch? Mmm.
It's yummy. It's so good.
Happy Sunday fun day.
Cheers.
Serves you right for eating pizza with a fork.